Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to place limit orders using position tool on TradingView. So yeah, let's get straight into it. So this is the tool which we will use. So yeah, let me first show you how you can basically activate this tool. So navigate to the left hand vertical toolbar on your chart interface and then hover over the prediction and measurement tool. So this is this one right here. The icon typically resembles a long position drawing asset or small ruler profile. If you click on this arrow next to it, you will see here what everything is opens up when you click on it. So we have long, short, position forecast, bars, patterns, ghost feed sector, and so on. Now let's select long position and place anywhere on your chart. So just click on your chart somewhere. All right. Now the position tool creates a visual three-tiered box containing a green target zone, as you can see here, and then the red zone, so the risk zone. So what we have is entry price, so click and drag the gray center boundary line up or down to set your ideal entry limit price, so you can drag it all somewhere like so. I will leave it right here just to show you how this works. So as you can see, we have with that we basically adjust where we want to start. All right, then we have stop loss. So this is the red one. So if you grab this outer uh, gray boundary line, edge handle of the red zone and snap it to your maximum technical and visual point. So you can drag this up or down, however you prefer. And the same goes for this green line. So here we take a profit, so we can drag it up and down. Also, what you can do is set width and length of this basically tool that you have. Alright, now to translate this drawing asset into a functional live execution script, you must link an active platform connection. So how we do that? Now jump here to the top right corner where you see next to the publish button trade. So click on that, and right here, as you can see, we have a bunch of brokers that we can choose. So I will go with paper trading just for showing you how to do that. Simply just connect, and down here you will see basically this is demo account, so you see that I have a bunch of money here. Yeah, like so. Now we have connected our broker right here. Once a tracking system connection is confirmed active, you can instantly turn your drawing values into a live order script. All right, now right click anywhere inside your placed long or short position tool, drawing graphics, right, like so. And now scroll through the contextual drop-down menu and you will see here create limit order. So click on that. You will see here now on the right side what we can do. So we have price in units. So you can set margin USD, balance, risk, and so on. Then we have exit, take profit, stop loss. Then we have here extra settings, which is time in force and so on. Okay, and yeah, let me just drag this down. So you will see if I drag this down like so, I will do it again. So create limit order. Now everything has changed, and I will put buy. So if we jump here to order, you will see that we have buy, so limit. Then we have also stop loss and take profit when and when we have it. So as you can see here, now we can also cancel this here on the right side, or we can edit basically every separate thing. So as you can see, we can change the price, units, stop loss, and profit take. And yeah, this is pretty much how to place limit orders using position tool on TradingView. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.